Every day, you make hundreds of small decisions, from what you buy at the store to that extra coffee or the monthly subscription you almost forgot about. Individually, they seem harmless, but together, they can quietly shape your life, your savings, your freedom, your future. Today, we're diving into the hidden cost of everyday decisions. Take something as simple as your daily coffee. A few dollars each day might not feel like much, but over a year, it can amount to hundreds of dollars. And if that money were invested, it could grow into thousands. Small habits can quietly add up to big consequences. Then there are subscriptions, streaming services, apps, even gym memberships. You sign up once, forget about them, and the payments keep coming. Small leaks like these quietly drain your wallet without you even noticing. Awareness is the first step to control them. Impulse shopping is another hidden cost. That sudden online purchase feels satisfying in the moment, but often doesn't add long-term value. Multiply that by hundreds of small impulses and suddenly, you've spent a fortune on things you barely remember. Mindful spending makes a world of difference. Even choices for convenience, takeout food, ride-hailing apps, extra energy usage seem small. But over months and years, the cost adds up. And it's not just money. These habits shape your lifestyle, your time, and your daily energy. Every choice carries weight. Here's the hidden cost that's often invisible. Opportunity cost. Every dollar you spend is a dollar that's not invested, saved, or used to grow your wealth. Small decisions today can limit your options tomorrow. Understanding this can change the way you see money forever. Meet Julie. She spent $5 daily on coffee, $10 monthly on forgotten subscriptions, and occasional impulse purchases. By the end of the year, her small habits cost her over $2,000. And that's just 1 year. Over 5 or 10 years, it becomes tens of thousands. Money that could have grown exponentially if invested wisely. The good news is, these small costs are easy to manage if you become aware. Track your spending. Cancel unused subscriptions. Question impulse purchases. Treat your money like a tool for building, not leaking. Small adjustments can create big results. Imagine redirecting those hidden costs into smart decisions. Investing, saving, learning skills, or building side hustles. The effect is transformative. Small daily choices creating a powerful ripple over time. Your money can work for you instead of quietly disappearing. Every decision counts. Your daily habits, no matter how small, shape your financial future. Stay curious, stay smart, and remember, knowledge is the most powerful investment you can make.